It's not showing up very well. Just wanted to show this one bolt. The threads are packed with grease and grime. This one I had to use a pair of pliers to yank on to get out. She didn't want to come out. So this motor was definitely due for a big rebuild of some sort. Something else I wanted to show you. What is it? There's that gray sludge that's all over the inside of those heads. You know when you walk through a swampy area, going through the mud, get that raunchy stench of the decaying vegetation and the old stagnant water? That's what this stuff smells like. Probably water got in the engine and the plugs were out. Mixed in with that oil and over the last 20 so years. Yeah, nasty stuff. So, this head's ready to go. I got one bolt holding the other one in just so it doesn't slip off. So let's see if we can do this without killing ourselves. Probably pretty damn heavy. Oh, not too bad. Oh, 150 pounds. Oh, nice. Nice. Let's get the dirty gloves off so I can pick the camera up here. Grab the light. Whew, look at all the junk in there. Look at that. Definitely would have been torn down before we started running this thing. This one's full of diesel still. That spider web. Yeah. Look at all that junk in there. Plus a bolt. Snapped off bolt head. Huh. Made a mess out of my glove again. And the vintage tray is just packed full of garbage and junk. Yuck. Let's see if we can flip this bad boy over. The house valves are corroded, if they even work still. So there's the underside of a Pontiac 455 from 1871, including, is it showing up there, carcasses. Huh. Pretty nasty. Definitely wouldn't want to just drop this in the car and try to run it. Oh, that's a heavy chunk of 1971 cast iron right there. Whew. Now that I got grease and junk all over the other glove now, see if I can do this without dropping it all. What a mess. Got to clean the camera off before we... Holy crap. A good size block. So this one, showing up, is still full of diesel that I poured in there. The rest of them, it's pretty much soaked through, so I wonder if this one's seized up. More of the gray sludge type stuff. Nice steel head gasket. That is plugged up with grease or something. I don't know if it's supposed to be open or what. Alright, let's get the other side off. We can pop that windage tray off and Basically, we'll have a short block then. Get her ready for cleaning. If I get this thing down to a machine shop to get her hot tank, I'm going to have to borrow Mark's lift again. I'm sure not going to want to try to lift that thing by myself. I have no idea what a bare block weighs, but cannot be light. The cylinder bores look pretty good. Well, we'll take it back. There's a definite ridge in there, so getting a little tired. Like Don said, it was starting to burn a lot of oil. Rings are starting to go. We'll definitely be doing a healthy rebuild on this when the time comes. So we're going to make room for that other head. Alright. Let's see here. This bolt comes out. This is the corroded side over here, so curious to see how bad it looks. What time is it? 9:20, Sunday night. Oh, Wilson Phillips, crack it out. Sold me. That's the best way to do this without dying. Have somebody else do it. Yeah, sorry, apologize for that nasty joke. This one that'll just be preserved for posterity on YouTube, and hopefully we'll fade away and die. Alrighty. Is she ready? Will she go? Oh, look at that sludge pouring out over there. She's free. Whoa. It's not heavy or nothing. Oh, this one's even worse. Wow. I'm gonna try to fall. I need to get some more room in this place. Whew. You should go smell this. It's rancid. Oh, grease and who knows what else. I got 1, 2, definitely filled with diesel still. Oh, wow. Whoa. Man, that reeks. Let's just take the gloves off. That's it, the gloves are coming off. Throw this in the garbage here real quick. Grab some fresh ones just in case we decide to do some more. And we'll take you over to the other side real quick. My main reason for wanting to get this thing torn apart, not only just to get the block down, but also wanted to take the stress off this engine stand. Big blocks are heavy, and the engine is heavy, but look at that one, it's just full of cobwebs. Whew. Oh, that one just packed full of rust. Jeez. I wonder it didn't turn over. Definitely gonna need to rebuild. Man, that reeks though. Wow. Old grease, oil, decaying lubrications. Whew. Okay, you know what? Let's set you down here real quick. Flip that back over. so I can see the view screen. And let's put some gloves on. Wow, that's raunchy. Open the side door a little bit, let some ventilation through. Whew. It's cold out tonight, but I'd rather sniff cold air than this stuff. Good morning to that. Jack stand, hold door up. Wow. Never would have figured that a motor could smell that bad. Guess it was been sitting for a while. These gloves are not larges. Well, that one is. Oh, that one is too. So we got larges on one side and mediums on the other. Let's see, this should, yep, pops right off. I was anticipating being all corroded in there, but essentially that'd be your intake manifold gasket there. Big old camshaft sitting right down there in the valley. With the lifters. Is it showing up at all? Yeah. Little pitting in that cam, but we're going to put a new one in her anyway. How do those pop out? I don't remember. I've only watched these get done, so, oh, there we go. Just grab one and try to push it if you can, but yep, that's old grease, old oil, just raunchy. Wow. Well, I think we're at a standstill for the night. That's a good point to quit. Let this thing air out for a while. And we got 13 minutes on this video, 13 and a half minutes, so. Whew. Maybe tomorrow we'll clean those parts a little bit, or the next few days. And we'll start flipping this thing over, get the bottom end torn out. Oh, we're getting there. Okay, we're gonna shut her off and I'm gonna go inside, get something to eat. Probably put a movie in. I'll watch one of those for a while. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. Hope you enjoyed it. My big block teardown. Get the block cleaned and inspected, and then probably put it in the corner for a while. Because I need to get rolling on this beast. Get it cleaned off again. Pathetic. Get back to stripping down the paint. Try to pull this fender off one of these days and get some of those dents bent out. But anywho, again, thanks for watching. Time to shut her off before we hit that 15-minute mark. Don't want to make this too long for you guys. We'll do this again sometime soon. Bye-bye.